Another cute cat moment. Just a snooze in the back of the chair, basically snoring in my ear. Taking it easy. Doesn't look like he hurt a flea, does he? He's just so cute, so cuddly and priceless. Completely adorable in every possible way, isn't he? Yet, not long before this, the same adorable little kitty we had here wanted to wrestle. And this is the aftermath of it. He left his markings. And I hope he enjoyed marking his territory. Such as the joys. Well, that's life with a cat. Goes from scratching the poop out of you when you're playing to just zonking out in your lesson. I hope the rest of you enjoyed this video because I have war wounds from it. But I think I'll live. And I hope that it made you all smile. Have yourselves an awesome day. Hit like, please, if I'm not the only one who thinks that this sweet little kitty of mine is a heartbreaker. And comment, maybe if you've had this happen to you. And please do subscribe. Let's just hope he doesn't turn Catherine's red sweater into a black one because he's using it as a pillow. Well, everybody, have a good day, and we will see you later. God bless. Bye-bye.